And Toto Gobro, you should earn Qatar assignment. Is done by Gad Chupane Karun. History on New Empires and Kingdoms. Question number 1. Write the answer of following. Name the famous ruler of Gupta dynasty. What was the name of Samudragupta's mother? Third, who was the best known Chalukya ruler? Question second, state whether true or false. First part, Harshana composed a prashasti in praise of Gautam Putra Sri Satakarni. Second, there were 12 rulers in Dakshina Patha. Third, Aihole was the capital of the Palwas. Question third, fill in the blanks. Issue tai ane barm. Kitab wushu to pat wushu kadet kya asmani amo. First, dash was an assembly of Brahman landowners. Second, the dash was an organization of merchants. Third, the dash was Kalidas's most famous play. Fourth, dash were important centers of the Gupta rulers. Fifth, the rule of Harshvardhana was around dash years ago. Yim ke question छ यम करजोक मेहरबानी करित हाँ पूरा तो पात्रियो तो यहूं जवाब ऐसे इथे कनन मोबाइल जरिए तो इस दिमो नजर क्या दलील ऐसे होता है कर्मों से कोता ऐसे होता है याद कर्मों बहुत शुक्रिया.